So this new method of simplifying your application process for German universities is here to make your life much easier. You can apply to 150 plus universities in a single shot with this method. So keep watching to find out what that method is, and if you haven't subscribed yet, now is really the time. So what is that secret method? The method that we are exploring today is a centralized application portal that will make applying to German universities much easier, and the one we are talking about today is called Uni Assist, an organization that checks whether your documents meet the requirements set by the universities you are applying to. While it's not mandatory for you to adopt this process, some universities allow students to apply directly to them. But most universities prefer you use Uni Assist for the ease of application. So what's the advantage? The main advantage of using Uni Assist is that it simplifies the application process. You only need to submit your documents once, and Uni Assist will forward them to all universities you are applying to, kind of like a post office service. But this can save you time and money. Additionally, Uni Assist can help you with recognition of qualifications, which can be a complex process. Let's take a look at the list of documents required. The specific documents required will vary depending on university and the program you are applying to. However, here are some common documents you need to provide. But please do remember to check the Uni Assist website for the specific requirements of your chosen university for an accurate and updated list. Now let's take a look at steps to complete validation of prior education or VPD on Uni Assist. Create an account, check the document requirements, gather required documents, upload the documents, pay the processing fee, and track the progress. And then you receive the VPD. Once the Uni Assist has completed the evaluation of the documents, they will issue validation of prior education or VPD report. This report will state whether your previous education is considered equivalent to the German education system and provide you with a grade conversion if applicable. Now here's an interesting fact. Uni Assist charges a fees for evaluating your documents and processing application. The fee varies depending on the number of desired university applications. If you apply through Uni Assist, it is 75 euros for the first application and just 30 euros each for the rest of the applications. Deadlines and fees. Uni Assist operates on specific application period. Make sure you submit your application and all required documents within the given deadline. Late submission might even result in delayed processing or even rejection of your application. So ensure you have the funds available to cover the processing fee when submitting your application. So navigating Uni Assist can be overwhelming, but by following these steps and understanding the required documents, deadlines, and fees, you can take control of the application process and increase your chances of a successful application to German universities. But if you are seeking professional guidance, Nebula is the place to start. The link is in the description.